the link in the bio, the WAP link in the bio to join the Daily Sniper, guys, is 50% off for tonight only. Next week, starting Monday, I am buying 3 25K funded futures accounts. I'm going to show you guys how to pass them. I'm going to show you that I pass them and how to be able to be profitable with just 3 simple accounts, guys. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. We are back. We have massive deals going on right now with the Daily Sniper for the next 24 hours. Hope you guys take advantage of it. Today, extremely difficult day to trade. I'm going to be going over what I did to make $4,000 today, which could have been a crap load more money, but you lose some, you win some. Not every key level works all the time, guys, especially the previous close. I'm going to show you on my chart what exactly happened today, and so let's get right into it. So what you need to understand, guys, is you could be buying in at the best price possible, right? You could make a game plan, you could make a best level to be buying at, and sometimes in the stock market, it just may not work. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed. That's why the win rate is like 95% of people fail and only 5% of people succeed. You need to learn to adapt. You need to learn to take an L, and you need to learn to re-enter if you lose, take a loss on a trade. First things first, guys, I'm going to show you what I did today on the 1 minute time frame, because that's what I took this trade today. So in the morning, first things first, guys, we ended up selling off. I ended up buying calls. Dimitri, myself, and Gundy. I got in a little early, guys. I was playing the pre-market support, guys. I bought in, and we ended up doubling down here. I hit the bottom with 200 contracts. That's why I was able to make so much on the day, right? Picture perfect play. It worked out picture perfect. We were bullish on the day. You see these 2 key levels. I'm going to show you on the 5-minute time frame right now. 5:17.12 and 5:16.38. You see how we've been just trading in this range right here, guys? We ended up breaking through this level without retesting. I'm going to get into that right now. So I was already up over $4,000 on the day from just call options. I ended up going March 22nd, next Friday's contracts. No, I don't know what I did. I'll tell you tomorrow, guys. Sorry, I can't pull that up right now. But I ended up making 20 cents on my contracts, guys, from literally the bottom, okay? We all hit this play. We banked immensely on this trade. And then we had this. I was telling small accounts, cash accounts, the previous close is the best level to be buying at, because SPY has shown us the best level to be buying at is at the gap fills. Let's zoom out, okay? And then we broke through that with such a powerful move. We had our next level, 5:15.63. Look at 5:15.63, my key level. Look at the previous support yesterday. The previous support yesterday, we broke down beneath it. We immediately bounced, made support, and we ended up moving a lot higher, right? That's the reason why I had that key level. And then today, SPY just decides to fall off a cliff. Didn't respect absolutely anything. So I ended up buying in at the gap close, guys. 50 contracts. I doubled down 50 contracts. Doubled down 200 contracts. Got stopped out for over $3,000 loss. So keep this in. I just made over $4,000 on the day in this simple trade. And the next trade I size in lightly and then end up taking a $3,000 loss. This just goes to show, once you make over your daily goal, you need to walk away. I could have walked away with what I made in the morning, but what happened? I lost 3/4 of my profit just to have 2 banger trades today, to have the same amount of money that I made in the first 5 or 10 minutes of market open today. So I got stopped out on calls here, and I know a lot of people got stopped out here. A lot of futures traders ended up blowing up accounts. It makes sense, even buying one contract. This was such a powerful move to the downside. It broke through multiple key levels without retesting. It's just one of those days that's happened. This is why we preach to have firm stop losses, especially if you were trading options, guys. So I got to show you again on the 1 minute time frame. So I ended up buying in again on this trade, guys. Once I got stopped out, I ended up buying in again at 5:14 in the low 514s, okay? Sold the move here, made like 15 or 20 cents. I got most of my money back on this move. We come back down, guys. And then today, I bought the absolute low. Oh, no, I didn't. I haven't looked at the screen in a while. I'm going to show you exactly why I ended up having the best entry today for calls. The 30-minute time frame today, I preach. What do I preach, guys? If you don't have the 200 EMA on your chart, I don't know what you're doing. 30-minute time frame. I checked it. We came right to the 200 EMA. Had an immediate bounce, guys. As soon as we broke through the 200 EMA, the white line's a 200 moving average, I bought calls as soon as we broke through this, literally towards the lows of this trade. Bought it, guys, and had like a 3-point run here. So I was able to pretty much, I ended the day very good. Like, I'm not going to complain. I made a shit ton of money today. But the fact that I made a shit ton of money immediately in the first 10 minutes of market open today, to then lose 3/4 of it just to end up where I was, bad trading, okay? I'm disappointed in myself. I'm a leader. I need to lead by example. Once you make your bag for the day, leave. Today was a shit show for myself. I'm very disappointed and I'm not impressed with myself because I made a lot of money very quickly in the day. And then I started having a little bit more confidence, like, I'm going to buy this, I'm going to do this, let's get in previous close. That being said, I'm disappointed in myself. Now let's look at the technical analysis. The previous close, guys, 515.97 was a wicked level to be buying calls at. History has shown us. And then we broke through the next level at 515.63, another wicked level. We bounced off there yesterday. We made it support on Wednesday, guys, or on Tuesday. Crazy, phenomenal entries. And it just didn't work. It just kept going. Rule number one, lesson number one, if you make more than your daily goal, leave for the day. Lesson number two is have a firm stop loss on, especially if you are trading futures, guys. You need to be very, very careful. Apex and futures are meant for you to fail. They're trying to take your money from you. You need to protect that like it is your baby. Protect that. You need to make sure you do not blow up. The only way to screw Apex and to rob Apex out and make Apex pay you is take your small micro gains and get the hell out of there and close the account for the day. Because if anyone followed, even me, it wasn't a bad entry. I played the gap close reversal. It did not work. That's fine. I'm still made multi-six figures since January, guys. Since December, I'm up over 200,000 USD. Since December to right now, over $200,000 USD in just my options account. So I know what I'm doing. I have a game plan. I stick to it. Today, it did not work. But I shouldn't even have been in that trade because I made more than my daily goal, right? So just learn from me, learn from my mistakes, learn from your own mistakes, guys. If you hit your daily goal and have a banger trade, and even make more than your daily goal, walk away because the market will humble you, and it humbled me today. I was so irritated. I was so angry, guys, because I made a lot of money. I entered the best level, the best prices. I doubled down and then doubled that size down and then had to stop out because it was so bearish. And then I was patient. This is something you need to learn. I took my L, okay? What did I do? I sniped quick calls, made like 20 cents on it. Got out. Sold what I'm supposed to sell. It dipped again. We hit another one of my key levels and the 200 EMA in the 30-minute time frame. Everyone in the Discord, it's so bearish. Don't buy calls. Don't buy calls. Guys, I don't listen to no one. I just listen to myself, right? It's a double-edged sword, okay? But I ended up buying in, and it ended up being one of the best trades of the day today. Like, we literally bought in here. Where was it at? In the 513s, and I ran all the way to the mid 515s. I just played where I'm supposed to. I bought where I'm supposed to buy. Do not let a loss scare you out of buying from the best spot. The best spot possible. I bought where I'm supposed to buy. It looks scary. Ended up being one of the best areas to be buying calls this morning. I printed, guys. I'm happy. It doesn't sit good with me because guys, we have a lot of members in the Discord, and I know some people follow me blindly, and I try to preach not to do that. Have your own risk management, have firm stop losses if you are doing that. So I know some people lost money today, and it hurt my heart. Even though I'm green on the day, I made a crap ton of money today. it just affects me because I like to be a leader, and I like everyone that is in the Daily Sniper guys to make money. I'm trying to teach you guys. I want you guys to all be self-sufficient. That's my main goal. My main goal is not money. I make way more money trading than this company could ever pay me, and that's just being realistic. So I want to teach you. That's the whole point of this Discord, is to teach education, guys. So I ended up apologizing to some people, and Dimitri and Gundy are like, don't freaking apologize. What are you talking about? It's the first bad play you called. I get that, but I just know people put their trust in me, and it doesn't matter whose Discord you're a part of, whose YouTube channel you're following, guys. You need to have firm stop losses. You need to know your risk, right? I tell everyone trading futures, Gundy's stop loss is $500. If he hits $500 on the day, he closes down and he's like, I'll get it back tomorrow. That's how everyone needs to trade. This is why I'm preaching options trading on everyone, guys. Positions that futures traders get stopped out of because they have to worry about their stop. Options trader, you're able to hold through the BS. You're able to add, and you're able to get out and take the money out immediately. Starting Monday, guys, I'm doing 3 25K account challenges on, I don't want to say challenge. I just want to show you guys how to pass it and how to take money out. For Apex, guys, 3 25K accounts. And I'm also starting Monday. If you made it to the end of this video, Monday, 25K options account, cash account. I'm going to show you how you can feed yourself off of $2,500 USD. I'm going to show you. I'm going to be taking my time. We have multiple people that closed their Apex accounts, came right back to options. You're like, Top G, Sniper, I want to do options. And I don't blame them, because people are getting stopped out on futures when people in options traders are in the same trades, and they're absolutely banking. So I highly recommend, no matter how much futures pay you, how much Apex pays you, everyone listening needs to understand how to trade options. They could erase prop firms in a snap of a finger, and you need to know the theta, you need to know all the Greeks, and you need to know how to trade options. And this Discord, myself and Dimitri, are multi-millionaires from just trading options. Our story, we have almost the exact same story, guys. We lost all our money. We borrowed money from friends and family. We lost all that. And the only way we were able to make it back up, guys, is from never giving up and never saying, no, I am not quitting. We grinded, guys. When I tell you, I'm not even open with this to people in my own personal life. I lost all my money before, right? I lost over $500,000. I borrowed money from family. I lost all of the money that I borrowed. I was at complete rock bottom with Dimitri. Our stories are almost identical. What do? We both started with very minimal money. I ended up making 7 figures off of 2,500 USD. That is no cap. I have the receipts to show it, guys. And that goes from the small gains work in the long run. The small gains pay more in the long run. I promise you, trading is very difficult, and it's not supposed to be easy, because if it was easy, everyone would do it. But you need to take your time. You need to have patience. You need to invest in the right education, and we are offering options traders and futures traders the right education. I'm going to show you, Gundy's going to show you, and Dimitri's going to show you, an options doctor, how to pass Apex accounts. And we're also going to show you how to trade options properly to be profitable day traders, guys. I do this for real. I make more money trading than this company could ever pay me, and I'm the only one to admit that. A lot of these YouTubers and these Discords, they make money from their Discords, right? And from their companies, guys. I make my bread and butter from day trading because I know what I'm doing and I'm good at what I'm doing. And the people I'm surrounded by and the people that are part of my company know what the hell they're doing. So if you would like to be part of the Discord, guys, 50% off for 24 hours. Monday is the grind time. Monday is where I am going to personally show you a small account on options. I'm going to show you 3 25K Apex accounts. I'm going to fund them all. I'm going to make money in my options. I'm going to show you how to feed yourself for the rest of your life. Stop joining discords that spoon feed you guys. Stop relying on myself, Gundy, Dimitri, and Options Doctor to feed you guys. Learn yourself. You won't need us soon with the proper education. That's why the Daily Sniper is different from any other Discord. We are showing you how to do this yourself. We are trying our best to teach you guys how to be self-sufficient traders. Anyways, 50% off 24 hours. Link is in the bio. Let's look at the game plan for tomorrow. So first things first, guys. Look at the buy zone that we had. If you've been watching my previous videos, we had 512.50 and we had 512.60. Look at the immediate bounce. Two 30-minute candles that closed above this key level. Of course it was going to rip. It even ended up hitting our bottom level at 511.80s, right? Picture perfect. So moving forward to tomorrow, what are we looking at? I'm looking at if we hold 514 on SPY, we're going to rip. If we gap down tomorrow, we're going to be watching the previous close at 514.95. So pretty much 515 is going to be a major make or break level moving forward, guys. I'll make this a little bigger so you know the previous resistance all morning, 515. It's going to be the make or break it level. We gap up, we come back down to it, hit the calls up. We gap down, we come back up to it, hit the puts. It's that simple. I do this shit every day, guys. If you'd like to be a part of the Daily Sniper, Dimitri, Gundy, Options Doctor, we are waiting for you. We are waiting to teach you guys, and we are ready for you guys all to be self-sufficient traders. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate it. Podcast episode 6 or 7, whatever number it is dropping Saturday. Make sure you stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys that take your time and watch these in videos to the entirety. It means a lot to me, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.